climbs the tallest tree. D is for deer, so gentle and free. E is for elephant, stomping in the sun. F is for fox, who loves to run. G is for giraffe, so tall and bright. H is for hippo, splashing with delight. I is for iguana, green and neat. J is for jaguar, quick on his feet. K is for koala, cuddly and small. L is for lion, the king of them all. M is for monkey, swinging with glee. N is for newt, near the shady tree. O is for owl, who hoots at night. P is for penguin, dancing in white. Q is for quail, running in line. R is for rabbit, hopping so fine. S is for snake, sliding slow. T is for tiger, ready to go. U is for unicorn, shining bright. V is for vulture, soaring in flight. W for whale, deep in the blue. X marks the X-ray fish swimming too. E is for yak, with fluffy hair.